Hi, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Due to a high volume of requests, I am redoing the video on how to open your sealed canning jar with the ring that comes with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get you up close and personal and show you exactly how to do this. This is a sealed jar, and underneath here, where the lid meets the jar, you'll notice there's just every so often there's a part that just sticks out a tiny bit, just enough that you could feel it, right? It's not completely flush to the glass. And that is where you're gonna wanna take your ring and just leverage it right under that lip. And then you'll stick your palms on top, put the ring right underneath the lip of that lid and lift up with your fingers, and it pops right off. Okay, I'll show you a couple more. Do a few different jars of different sizes for you. So just feel around to where you can feel it sticking out. On these regular mouth jars, the rings of the glass go really close to where the lip of the lid is. And so you're gonna wanna spin it around until there's a little bit of a gap there between the glass part where the ring goes on and the top of the lid. Okay, so you'll find that spot, grab your ring, put your palms on top of the jar with your hands like this, leverage it underneath that lip, and lift up, and you'll hear the pop of the air that comes out. Okay, I'm gonna be using a lot of pickles today, can't you tell? Okay, we'll try one more like this, another wide mouth. So you see this lip right here is what you're aiming for. Leverage it underneath, put your palms on the jar. Did you hear that? Opened up great. And let's try a little baby jar, okay? I'm gonna find the little area here where we can kind of leverage it a little bit underneath. And there it goes. All right, friends, that's all there is to it. I hope that clears up any questions that my last video just left kind of open-ended. I will link up the original video here so you can check it out and see it from another angle. And let me know if this one was better for you guys and what you'd like to see from me next. Okay, bye!